Hi all, welcome to another refurbishment video. This rather messy setup is based on the old Amd Athlon 64X2 3800 plus CPU, 1.5 gigs of RAM. It's got an Nvidia 6200 graphics card, nothing to write home about, 64 meg. It's got a 16 gig SSD for Windows XP Pro Service Pack 3, fresh install. It's got a 240 watt power supply and a 300 gig hard drive for storage. Now it's set up like this because the plan I've got is to sell it as a kit. So all you need is a computer case. That motherboard does have standard case connections, so somebody having this shouldn't have any problem to have a nice little retro build. To test it out, what I'll do is I'll run a couple of graphic benchmarks and show you the results. So 3D Mark 2000, a score of 105.1. That seemed to run okay. 3D Mark 2001, a score of 8105. And finally, 3D Mark 2003, a score of 2519. Now, I did run later versions, or attempt to run later versions of 3D Mark after 2003, and the performance just wasn't worth running. So I think this system could benefit from a slightly better graphics card. In fact, I'm almost certain it will. But just be careful if you do have a similar setup that you don't bottleneck the card that you use. So maybe aim for one that's got a gig of video memory rather than 64 meg. So if you've got any questions about this very retro system or computer kit, so to speak, just drop me a comment.